Hello, hello. I am taking care of a few things in my ListPerfectly catalog and thought that I would take you along so you can see how it works. I am currently working in the Pro Plus version. It's the newest version of ListPerfectly and the highest tier of ListPerfectly. It is $0 to try it out right now. They haven't actually released it as a full-fledged plan that you can sign up for. However, if you are a Pro Plan member and you sign up as a referral member, which is $0 to sign up as a referral member, takes 2 seconds. You never have to refer anybody. However, you can make a little extra. But just sign up for that and it will give you access to the Pro Plus to try free for 30 days or 90 days, 3 months. And at the end of that 3 months, it will just keep you on the Pro plan. It won't increase your subscription fees or anything like that. And if you liked it, then you can make the decision to go back up to Pro Plus, which will be an actual tier at that point, and you can up your subscription. So if you have any questions about that, let us know, comment below, send us a message, and we can help you walk you through that. Use our code CChats listed below, and let's get you on this plan. It's a lot of fun. It's got some cool stuff. And then that way you can try it before you actually truly buy it and see if it's the right fit for your business, because not all of these plans are the right fit for every single business. All right, I need to relink something, and I've shared some reels on this before, and we've talked about it in some of our lives, but I just wanted to really show you how awesome this link button is. And I believe the link button will be available on a few plans, not just Pro Plus. But right now, it's only available here. You get this beautiful new catalog. I just love everything about this catalog. And we might as well look for this listing that I have to redo so we can check on it here. So this item, these vintage photographs, which I found on consignment in an encyclopedia. So when you get books, whether at the store, you source them yourself, or you get them in on consignment, make sure to always, open them up, fan those babies out, because I found all of these photos in one encyclopedia. These ones are from a Rose Bowl in the 60s. These ones are just miscellaneous. They sold, and then when I reminded the person this morning, they said, never mind, please cancel. I don't want those. So according to this link right here is not going to bring me, it's going to bring me to the one that sold and is ended now. So this item sold, it's here, but it's not the actual one that if I were to sell this again, because this item is relisted, if I were to sell this again, it would tell me that there's nothing to end, and there would be an error. So I'm going to go into my eBay catalog, which this shows up right at the top because it just relisted today. And this little link button. So these ones are copied. If I click a copied, it's going to bring me to my ListPerfectly catalog, to that item, easy peasy. Ooh, it also brings me to the old version. I need to let ListPerfectly know that. It brings me to the old version, but that's okay. There's a lot going on. They're trying new things. So brings me to my ListPerfectly catalog and shows me that that item is linked. This one is not linked. There's no copied. There's no way for me to bring it back. But if I hit link, it will search the title of this item in ListPerfectly. It's looking for this title here. And there we go. It's easy to link. Boom, done. Now if I go into my ListPerfectly catalog and I refresh it just to be sure, I come down to these and I click my eBay link. Boom, this item is for sale. It has given me the new one with their photos have never been more important. eBay is updating the way that people see your listings, and your photo is right there along with all your thumbnails. So make sure that you are really putting the time and effort in to make these presentable. No feet, no toes, no weird mirrors anywhere. Make sure that this is exactly what you want your customer to see, your title and your photos right off the bat. All right, and that is how easy it is to make sure that things are linked and you can turn on that auto relist without worry, because at any time you can just come and search through your recent ones and hit those link buttons if for some reason something was relisted or it's not linked. They make it super easy. If you have any other questions, you have questions about ListPerfectly, how to sign up, how to use it, things that you want us to put into video so you can visualize them better, on any platform, eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, anything that we sell on Consign Cloud, let us know in the comments and we will do our best to get a video to you, or we can do a live. You can also join our Patreon, and we are constantly screen sharing in our Patreon and walking people through things. So just let us know what you want to see and we'll get you hooked up. Have a good day.
We hope you enjoyed this C-Chats tutorial.